Hi, this is Travis with Team TKK. This is a video that serves as an explanatory walkthrough of our Week 7 CSI 434 Business Intelligence course at RTC. I'm using Tableau version 10.4 for this particular video. Version 10.5 is the newest available version, but for this one I'm using 10.4. I'm going to be sharing with you a couple of stories. Stories in Tableau are a sequence of visualizations that work together to convey information. You can create stories to tell data narratives, provide context, demonstrate how decisions relate to outcomes, or simply make a compelling case. In this story, you can see that Central, South, and West America are listed, and their sales and profits are also listed. Below it, you can see the quantity of sales by representative. We have Anna, Cassandra, Chuck, and Kelly. And once again, you can see the colors show you where they're from and highlight it. The nice thing about Tableau is it gives you a visualization as to who's doing good and who's not doing good right off of the bat. I have another visualization. This one is from Tableau Online. Tableau Online is when you take you take and you build a Tableau story in Tableau version 10.4 in this case, and then what you want to do is you want to share it with your team. So what you do is you'd upload it to Tableau Online, and they'll be able to view it from any desktop. This was done by my teammate Kevin, and he just merely uploaded it to Tableau Online, and I was able to just view what he just got done doing. Our other team member Keith will be able to do the same thing, and what I could do is I could make changes, I could give suggestions, etc., etc. It makes it a lot easier to do it this way instead of having to email back and forth. It's cloud computing for data analytics, needless to say. In order to do Tableau Online, it's pretty simple. Let me get back to the Tableau story that I had. This is Tableau on my desktop. What I want to do is click on Server, and I want to go to Sign In, and then click Tableau Online. If you have a user account, you'd enter your credentials right here. If you do not, you just click Sign Up. I do have a user account, so I'm going to go ahead and enter the credentials in. And we're signed in. Now, I just want to publish the workbook. So I go ahead and I click Publish. I can add a description as to what it is. I'm just calling it on one video workbook for this particular one. And then hit Publish. It'll say Publishing Complete, and it will open up a new browser in your Chrome or Internet Explorer, whatever you want. And pretty much you can go back and right away you're pulling up the charts that you once had on your desktop, and I could forward this over to my teammate Kevin, and he could see what I was just looking at on my desktop. Let's go back to Kevin's for a second. This is another view of the same kind of data information, and it shows two separate things. We have sales, and then we have region dashboards within our sheet, within our stories. What this shows, you can click on it, and it'll highlight different things. It'll highlight different portions, and what it does at the same time is it blanks out it shades out the other data that is not necessary or pertinent to your research at the time, so that you're not stuck looking at data like this. You can shade it out, and this works when you click on the sidebar buttons as well. The first sales dashboard pretty much will show you that the Galaxy Note, Galaxy 7, iPad Air, and iPhone 7 all have a declined price and declined sales as the year goes on. And this could be because new models are coming out, different versions, etc., etc. And it also shows you the least price that is available. And you can pretty much tell that these companies like to lower their prices towards the end of the year, like holidays. They want to dump all the old phones, and they want to gear up for the new phones, so they want to get rid of all old inventory. This is just a bunch of nonsensical things that we've done for our project, and you could pretty much take this into a business world or environment, and it would make you makes data and analytics a lot easier than going through Excel worksheets and whatnot. Who wants to do that? It's give me 2 seconds and I'm gonna pull something up. Here we go. This is an example of non-Tableau. This is before Tableau. What would you rather look at? Is pretty much what I'm going to leave you at. Would you rather look at that, or spend your time going through rows and rows and rows, and this goes on forever, of data? Thousands and thousands of lines. Or just simply know that sales of the Galaxy Note in June are greater than sales of the Galaxy Note in November. Or you could go back to this and try and figure it out on your own. Maybe you're good at Excel, maybe not. Who knows? Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.